Okay, so assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, in this video, I'm going to do some project. There are two projects. There is eye tutorial and video tutorial from multimedia. Okay, in the first slide, yeah, just open Figma because it's a Figma tutorial. We just go to new design file, yeah, new design file, and there are so many short key, yeah, short key. They are free for frame like this frame. There is Instagram post or others like that. In the frame, uh, in here in this tutorial, I will do some Instagram post poster. Yeah, it's just pick Instagram poster, Instagram post this because I will make Instagram poster like this. Okay, after we making a frame or after we creating the frame, I know before we uh before we before making a poster, we just find some references with other poster like okay, wait, I just open first. I'm using Opera GX, yeah, like this. Okay, there, this is okay, already found. Okay, the name is from my tutorial. The name is stop global warming or global warming like that. Yeah, if you look, there's a very simple. There are city with a hot hot weather. Yeah, the name is stop global warming. Like this. Uh, and the second and the third, after we find some references, we just find some asset or image like that from in the here. I'm using a free pick, but in here, but not in Opera GX, but in Chrome. This one. Just find it asset in asset, yeah, asset in free pick. Just search freepik.com and then type global warming like this. And for the for the asset, I will check this one because it's in, yeah, like that. Okay, free download like that. After we download the file, yeah, okay, download the file, and then after that, just go to file. After we download it, just click on download, and yeah, there's a polar global warming. Then we just copy a typical file. This a copy, yes, copy, and then here just paste it. This now after this, we just wait there. Just remove this image background from remove biggie or erase biggie. Yeah, there are so many, but I will use a Piquish because this one is very perfect. Fair, not very perfect, but more perfect than remove background.com. This is a Piquish. Remove background, just pick remove background, and then upload image. Upload your image here, like this. Yeah. In here, you can edit more simple than other remove biggie, remove background browser. Yeah, I know this is a very this take this take sometimes this take a little bit times that, yeah, just be patient or maybe just pause it first. Yeah, just pause it. Okay, okay, already finished for the download. Yeah, this one is take too long, I know. Just download after that. and then we skip it. Okay, skip it like this. Yeah. Okay. After that, just place image with short key. There is Control. After that, press Shift and then press K button. This is a short key. Just pick the image or the asset if you are like this. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. You just fill it with yeah, this one. Just press T. This one. And then for the more asset, just find it first. Like fire can fire others. Like a fire. Just search fire then. Yeah, yeah, fire. This just not simple. Wait, yeah, simple design. Why this is for example or this one or this one. But we just this. Wait, see more. Okay, be just this. Yeah. Wait. Nah, this one. Okay, after this, just move begin. After free bundles like this one, just copy it like before. Yeah, flame back this one. Just copy. Wait, copy and then paste in here. So that just go to the pick wish. Let's save and click upload for this one. Yeah, the flame or fire. Yeah, yes. Okay. Can we just refresh first and then pick wish? Yes. Yeah. This can be our escape first. Yeah. Okay, guys. Here I already have the assets of stop global warming. Yeah, you just go to Figma here, and then you just Control Shift K, press, and you just drag this one. Uh, then and here, then asset and here, this one, and after that this one. Yeah. Right. Wait, just pick this one. Let's pick the color of blue. Just pick blue color in here. Just pick here. Let's pick this one. Yeah. And then they just type for text. Just click T button, on your laptop, and then just click text like S and S, and then click the and then P. Like this, just pick the text is enter the Anton, yeah, and this one, and then this one, right? Okay, right cover, this more, this, like this. We just make a simple poster, stop global warming. This and then BAT for the text. Yeah, okay, and then again this is on a red color but more bigger, 90. This, and then yeah, just type your name under the poster art in beside of the poster. This maybe for the example, so front this, but the speak for text there is small. For text it's not small like this. This is for there's no one can copy your that. your desired name like this. And for your poster already done, and we just that for me, and then kalau saya save, soalnya